Okay, today I'm going to test out these P4 props on my Velox V2 motos. Okay, and I'm putting in a higher C battery, 120C, rather than my conventional 95C for this weight. So this weight of the quad is slightly higher, about 30 grams more heavier than the usual, so it should be about 650 grams. Let's see how it goes with these props. I heard that these props are good in braking, and a lot of good comments on these props. Let's see how it goes. It's obvious that this P4 is punchier because look at the pitch is much higher than the S4. Okay, if you can see it. So, and also based on this spec, this P4 is actually 5140, but the S4 is only 5037.5, I think. Yeah, and also material wise, they're almost the same. They are PC material. Okay, so obviously this has more punch. So what's the conclusion of the P4 candy cane props as compared to the S4? Well, I can say that definitely you need a bigger battery, because the bigger battery helps to prevent battery sag, and because this is a stronger prop, it actually it draws more current. So a bigger battery will have less battery sag and therefore less prop wash. And somehow or rather, the weight of this battery also helps in the flying. It makes the video appear smoother. This is seen from the first video. As compared to the second video where I'm using this battery, it's not as smooth. Okay, and another thing is that I would say in terms of the efficiency, the S4 is much better. Okay, S4 I can get a flight time with this battery 1050 for around 450 or 440, 4 minutes 40 seconds, whereas with P4 with this battery I'm only getting 3 minutes 30 seconds. So yeah, so that shows that the high pitch itself is drawing a lot of current, but nevertheless a smaller battery with a less higher pitch prop, I think it is a good match. So actually the balance of power is important. You do not want something that is as small as this to be driving something as high as this pitch, the P4. So if you want to use a P4, make sure your quad is powered with a heavier, higher C battery that is able to keep a stable voltage when the quad is punching or drawing a lot of current. So that helps also in your prop wash handling. Okay, anyway, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and do click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and enable the notification bell so that you can receive any of my future videos. Alright, have a nice day and bye bye.